Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Linda and in today's video, I'm going to show you my skincare routine. It's a simple and quick routine, perfect for everyday use, using Korean skincare products. So let's begin girls. Actually, I got all the products here and I'm so happy to show you, okay? Let's begin. We're going to start by cleansing our face really well, and for that, we're going to use this cleanser. This one, as you can see, okay? Actually, I'm not sure how to pronounce the brand name. All the information about the products will be shown on screen or in the description below. You can also purchase all the products on Yes Style. And remember, I leave all the information in the description below. And don't forget to use my code for a special discount. Alright, girls, let's begin. I love this facial cleanser because it's very gentle on the skin. It cleans really well and it's fragrance free, which makes it ideal for sensitive skin. Okay, now let's move on with the hydrating serum. I'm going to use this one from the same brand. It really has amazing ingredients like hyaluronic acid, which helps deeply hydrate the skin, plump fine lines, and improve the skin firmness. It also claims to help even out the skin tone. It's honestly so good. I'm going to apply it using my hands, gently tapping it into my skin. Alright, now let's move on with the next step, which is apply a moisturizer. I'm going to use this one, which is actually from the same brand. I love it because it contains one of my favorite ingredients, panthenol, also known as provitamin B5. It's a powerful, hydrating, repairing, and soothing ingredient, perfect for sensitive skin. It also contains hyaluronic acid, so it's amazing. Apply it all over the face, including the neck. Very important, okay? And for the last step, we're going to use sunscreen. I'll be using this one from the brand Haru Wonder. Look at this beautiful thing. It's so beautiful, isn't it? It comes in a stick form. And it's really practical to carry everywhere. I love it.
It's also fragrance free. Actually, all the products I use today are fragrance free, which is why people with sensitive skin can also use them without any issues. This sunscreen offers SPF 50 UVB protection and UVA protection, so it helps protect the skin from rays that cause aging and dark spots, as well as from rays that cause sunburn. It provides broad spectrum protection and is perfect for daily use, so I really love it. And obviously, don't forget to apply it to your neck as well, okay?
I'm not going to use makeup because I'm going to be in my house. And very, very important to hydrate our lips. You can also use a lip gloss or lip oil. Okay, this is a lip oil. In this case, I'm going to use lip oil because I really like it. Okay, I got this little mirror here. So cute. And I think we're done. Okay, remember you can use a lip balm as well. So, my girls, that's it. I hope you really like this video so much. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, girls.